Hi everyone, my name is Avirup and I'm going to show you a lot of feathered wonders. Yeah, I'm talking about exotic birds. We have a great collection. Come, let's see. Hey, hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Oh, who's that?
This is Legolas. This is a severe macaw. It's a mini macaw actually. But it's a she and she's very naughty.
Oh,
Legolas, show your wings. Good girl.
oh, she's a female.
She's a female.
Hi.
Say hi,
Hi.
Legolas. Hi.
Who is this?
This is Goofy. Goofy is
Hello, Goofy.
male cockatoo. Goofy. He wants you to eat.
Oh,
It's a he.
scratch there. Oh, it's a male.
Good boy. He's eating.
What are you actually feeding them?
We're having nuts
Oh, they are nuts.
and seeds, like sunflower seeds.
Oh, these are sunflower seeds?
Seeds actually.
Okay. Oh, great.
This is the male one. This is the female one.
Hi. Hi.
This is Coco,
Coco.
and she's
Hello, Coco.
Lady Grey.
Lady Grey. Hi. Oh, she doesn't. Oh. Oh. It's so good. Do they bite?
You actually want me to feed them.
Okay. How old are they?
They're like 5-6 months.
6 months. Oh, that's. Oh, that's.
Lucy. Lucy.
Lucy.
Yeah.
Ah.
Good girl. Lucy wants what? Lucy. Yes. She's a blue and gold macaw. Her name is Lucy.
Hey, Lucifer. Lucy. Lucy. What are you eating, Lucy? Look at that. He's trying to crack open the nut.
Yeah, you will even peel off the skin. You only have the skin. You will even peel off the skin.
Wow. She's so cute.
You will peel off. She's only going to have.
Lucy. Ah, hi. Lucy saying hi. Wanna come? Oh.
Come on.
देखिए दूसरा फिर वीडियो में करना होगा.
See? You want to have another nut?
She took the nut and she's gone to a higher ground so that she can be sure eat that in peace, and probably then she'll head back to get another nut, right? You see? Oh, so cute. They're all enjoying their nuts.
Hello, Goofy.
Hello.
Hello, Goofy. How are you? Goofy? Yes. Goofy, good boy. Hello. Hello.
Does he talk?
Sometimes it's on his mood. Actually. He can.
Goofy?
Now he wants to get down.
No.
Goofy, you want to shake hand? Shake hand? Yes.
Wow.
Want to come? Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh, he's a quick learner. What's going on there? Hey, lovebirds. Hello, Grey.
No, she's here for the nut. Hey! This is a green wing macaw.
It's huge.
Yeah, it's he. It's a male, and it's huge. Look at his nails. They're pretty intimidating.
Oh, he's also eating nuts.
Yeah.
All going nuts.
You want to go back? You want to take a nut? Okay. You go.